run out of time.
First time I'm washing the car since I got the ceramic coat. Check it out. Nothing fixed to it. Just rolls right off. That's good. Here, here's a better shot. There's a lot of movement. I put a battery tender on here, and I have it hardwired directly to the car. And when I want to take the car out, I just disconnect, and then I'm good to go. Just throw it on there. It's hardwired directly into the battery. You can see it here, and you can see the little one on top here. And this way I don't have to have the clips every time I get out of the car. So then when I get home, I just plug in, like so. And then she charges the battery up. And because I don't drive the car every day, I will not destroy this battery. I mean, if you're not driving the car daily, you can see it's charging it up. It charges batteries and it maintains batteries. Anything under 4 amps, if you go anything under 4, 3.8 or whatever else they have in there, it won't charge a battery. It will maintain a battery only. This does both. So I suggest getting anything over 4 amps. Well, folks, these Baer brakes are going. I got the stock Brembos, so I gotta tear this car down. Get all the calipers off, all the rotors off. Yeah. No brakes. There they are, Baer brakes are off the car. And I'm trading them for the OEM Brembos. So these are great for like less rolling mass. I get it. This is a very expensive set. It's $2,200 for this set right here. But small brakes aren't my thing. This is a 4-piston setup with 12-inch rotors all the way around, and they just did not look right on a 20-inch wheel. They squeaked, they vibrated, they made all kinds of noise. The worst part is they made such a huge mess. I couldn't keep these wheels clean. Every time I took them out, they would be coated with brake dust. I'm even gonna put the dust shields back on, and it's gonna be a lot less mess. And then I'm going to ceramic coat the wheels again, clay bar them, polish them, ceramic coat, to get everything done while the car is gonna be apart. I'm making progress. The Brembos are in. Just clean these up. I'm gonna paint the hats of the that black. Got the paint right there. I'm gonna paint these this color. Those are all rusty. I'm gonna clean them up with the wheel. I got a wheel right here. I'm gonna clean them all up and get them looking good. I'm going to eventually change these to slotted and drilled. I will say this stuff weighs a ton. These rotors are ridiculously heavy. I need to change these. I'll lighten this up with different rotors. We're ready for some ceramic coat. Let's put some ceramic coat on. I'm gonna cake it on too, especially right here. This should make them shine even more. Let me do this, and then I'll show you the final product. But I want to soak these good, especially where you're gonna see it. So give me a minute, and I'll come back. Oh man, look at this! Just ceramic coated them. Now they're shiny. Man, that looks like, what idiot would ceramic coat the dust shields and the inside of the rotors? This guy. That's it. Those calipers are done. I'm just waiting for them to dry. Now I'm going to go clean the wheels. Just ceramic coated the wheels. And well, I clay barred them first, then I ceramic coated them. Right. And then I'm getting far. Brembos are on. I just got to tighten everything up. And I want to fix some stuff in here. And then I'll put the wheel back on, and then I gotta get everything on first. And of course, I ceramic coated the inner lining. I only put one on, I just wanted to see how it was. Dust shields, ceramic coated. Here matches the DMR stuff. I'm gonna put the wheel on and put it on the ground because, dude, oh my god, look at that. I'm gonna put some before pictures in so you can see it. So before, after. Look at the are in. Also cleaned all this up. This is carpeted. I was gonna ceramic coat it and realize, look, it's carpet. So just gonna scrape this down and I clean all the rest with the brush and should be good. And then I just clean this and now I'm gonna ceramic coat it. Then I'll put the wheel back on and we'll see how it looks. All right. There's the rear. Update on the brakes. I am done bleeding them. Went for a test ride today. All right, I'm cruising in the car. What's the temperature? 164. It's quiet in here. Very quiet. Just the choppy Thompson tires. 10th gear. My kids crack up that it's got 10 gears. Check out the brakes. Oh yeah. Much better. Suspension on here and go with like coilovers, and I can adjust the ride height. And I'm going to change the tires from, they're 255s in the front, I'm going to go 275s in the front, and then there's 305s in the back, I'm going to go 295s. This way there's not, it doesn't look like a 70s car with this huge tire in the back and a little dinky one up front. I'm not looking for that look at all. I want them to be close as possible. Let me get on a little bit. At 60. There we noise. It's got those lockout gears. It goes away at, where's it go away at? 64? 55. Pedal feels good. It's a lot of the power stopping is up front. So most of the stopping is up front. 6 piston calipers out back. It's only 1 piston calipers in the rear. They're very small. So like 75% of the braking is done up front. So when you hit the brakes, it stops hard up front. I can tell that there's a lot of weight now. I mean, I didn't think it was going to be that big of a difference, but you can tell. Coming up to a right-hander. Oh, yeah. Much better. Oh, that jerk. I'm starting to jerk again on downshifts. Yeah. I may bleed them again. The .4 brake fluid is like crystal clear, and the stuff that I pulled out of there looked like iced tea, so it needed a change anyway, so all's well. Battery's charging. Yep.